Ahoy hoy! Just thought I'd show you a little bit of what I've been getting up to with my little race car. I had the passenger seat in it recently and took it back to Collie. Took a few people for a few joyrides. Before I show you what I got up to at Collie, the V8 Supercars, and I'm in pit lane here just behind the Tickford Racing garage. We are going to actually take a tour inside the Tickford garage thanks to Brent from Luxe Performance, myself, Wesley, Sam. Oh, looks like we're going in. The V8 Supercars done and dusted. It's back to Collie Motorplex, and some beautiful cars turned out for a bit of a charity ride day that Collie Motorplex puts on called Revheads. It's for a group of disabled people who come down to the track, and we take them for a drive.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
And, sit them in the passenger seat and give them the opportunity to experience a race car, or a classic car. We do some hot laps and some cruising laps. And even melt some rubber. One of the best parts of the day was that I was able to share the opportunity with my family, and I got to sit them in the passenger seat and take them for a few laps of the track as well. It's true. I haven't actually been at the track as often as I might have liked this year. Things just haven't really quite gone according to plan, but it hasn't stopped me from going and experiencing and participating in some motorsport. Anyway, I just wanted to basically say how grateful I am for all the experiences that motorsport have offered me, from a VIP tour of a V8 Supercar garage to just meeting some of the best people I've met probably in my life. And the people that I've met along the way really have been the unexpected surprise part of motorsport for me. I'd always anticipated that motorsport would kind of be just me in my car.